Hey guys, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop destination for the coolest and most useful tech accessories. And today we have got something really interesting. This little gadget right here, the vacuum suction magnetic bracket K007. Yes, it's a very useful product, guys, for those who are a content creators like me, who are a photo lovers, who want a mobile holder. So this video is for you guys. So in today's video I will going to unbox it, test it out and see if it's really worth your money or not. And I am going to tell the most special features of this product, so that will be very helpful for you. So stay till the end. So let's get started. Alright, let's start the unboxing. So guys, inside the box we get this main unit, the magnetic holder itself, which looks really premium. It's made up of solid aluminum alloy, gives a nice sturdy feel. Look at the design, guys. It's look very premium in black matte finish. Wow, amazing and super handy. And of course we get a user manual. Talking about the build quality and design, it's very sleek in design and very elegant. The aluminum body not only looks stylish but also adds durability. At the bottom we have got the vacuum suction. Here you can see the vacuum suction base, which can easily stick on your dashboard, desk or even tiles easily. And once it locked, here we have to lock. Here you can see we have to rotate this one, so it will easily lock and unlock. And here you can see, guys, it has given a drawing. We have to, on rotating here it is unlock, and rotating here it will lock. Where we have to just, and on the surface you have to keep and rotate this and it will automatically lock. Here you can see I'm moving it very tightly also. With my pressure, I'm giving very much pressure also, it is not moving. So your phone will be very safe. It won't let your phone fall down. Once it locked, it doesn't move at all. So the head is very strong. Just we have, if you want to remove, just rotate this and it will unlock. Very nice and very simple to use. The head has a very strong magnetic ring. Here you can see. Here we have to remove this one. I can attach my iPhone here. Yeah, that's it. Here you can see, guys. Here just lock it. You can rotate up to 360-degree angle. Here you can see, if you want to move around wherever you want to shoot at any angle, you can just move it and it will be hold your phone very securely. If you want to hold like this, you can just attach here. Wow, now you can watch anything whatever you want. And you can also increase the size also. Just make it straight and attach on the ring. Yes. Wow, very amazing, guys. So it's basically useful for cars also due to its consist of magnetic suction, so it can hold in your cars easily. If this video helped you guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TechnoWaves for more tech tutorials and setup guides. So drop a comment below if you face any issues and I will try to help you out as soon as possible. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this.